Hello friends, I'm Isaac Pomni, UR14 CS 158. So this is my sixth experiment of case tools. This is about the activity diagram between the employee and the HR, and I have described with using um, swim lane of employee, team leader, project leader, admin, and HR. So first the started the initial state with assigning the work for the project leader. So the project leader will be given the project from the HR. So then the project leader assigns the work for the team leader, and the team leader acquires the nature of work to the employees, and the employee will update his work to the team leader and get the result and apply for the salary to the payroll. So the payroll will be of a normal hour and extra hour. Here I have used the synchronization between the normal hour, extra hour. A normal hour will be used for the required salary, and extra hours they will get the salary plus bonus. So by this this admin will generate for each employee, acquires the salary, that is the project leader will acquire the salary, the employee will acquire the salary, and the team leader will acquire this salary. From the salary it goes to the accommodation by providing food and transport. From admin to the team leader receives the resources. Project leader utilizes the resources, and the employee will also utilize the resources. And from the utilizing resources, the employee will be applying leave for medical and personal. So I have used the synchronization between the medical and personal, and the employee will request for leave, and he asks the higher authorities. So the employee will ask the project leader, and the project leader will ask the detail and progress using by asking the team leader, and the team leader will say the project leader, and he gives the detail, and the team leader will the admin will ask for approval whether it is yes or no. It will give the decision. So I have used the decision box over here, and the project leader receives, and he gives to the employee, receives whether approved. And if there is any complaint, the employee will say to the project leader, project leader, and complete the thing recommend over here, and the HR receives the complaint, and he rectifies and asks for feedback to the team leader, admin. And by using the synchronization, the company will ask for employee the feedback about the company, and team leader about the feedback, and it will ask the project leader for feedback. And if there is any negative feedback from these three people, the HR will the admin will rectify the negative feedback. So that's all for the final state. So this is my activity diagram regarding the company work. So that's all for my activity diagram. Thank you so much.